हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम इस वीडियो के अंदर पढ़ेंगे इम्पोर्टेंट फ्रूट डिजीज। इसके अंदर सेकंड डिजीज अपने पास में विल्ट ऑफ गुआवा। ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट। गुआवा इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट फ्रूट क्रॉप ऑफ subtropical countries. It is grown in almost all states of India. And wilt of guava is the most destructive disease for the guava plants in India. This disease in India firstly seen in 1935 from Allahabad. In India, this disease is firstly reported in 1935 from Allahabad, and this disease is also seen and also found in Rajasthan, mainly in the Ajmer district. Okay, so this is the very harmful disease for guava plants. Now we are talking about the symptoms of this disease. Which symptoms are seen during this disease? The first symptoms is the affected plant leaves show yellow coloration with the slightly curling at the terminal, and it become a reddish brown on the later stage, and finally at last shedding of leaves take place. All leaves are fell down and plants become die. At the last, plant become die, and the fruits of the branches which is affected by this disease become hard, black and stony, and at last the plants shed down all the leaves, they become defoliated and they become die. So these symptoms are seen in this disease. Approximate in between the 16 days, this plants become die. Okay, these symptoms are seen during this disease. Now we are seeing what is the causal organism of this disease. The causal organism of this disease is a fungus which is Fusarium oxysporum species Side and Macroponia fazulina. Both are the causing organism of this disease. Both fungus have extracellular and intracellular fungal hyphae. They have both type of fungal hyphae, extracellular and intracellular fungal hyphae. The causal organism penetrate in the plants either directly through the roots piliferous layers or through the opening caused by the secondary roots. The causal organism penetrates the plants by two methods. First directly through the piliferous layers, roots के अंदर जो piliferous layer होती है उसके थ्रू जो penetrate कर सकता है, and second through the causal through the opening caused by secondary roots. Okay. Two ways are to penetrate the plants. The fungus of this disease produce three types of asexual spores. The fungus produce three types of asexual spores. First is Microconidia, second is Macroconidia, and third is Chlamydospores. Chlamydospores are rounded and thick-walled, which is act as a resting trapezules for this disease, and they can persist in soil for a long time of period. Chlamydospores persist in soil for a long time of period, and infection is initiated in plants when the chlamydospores germinate in the response to exudate from the roots, and the hyphae penetrate the lateral roots. Okay, so this is all about the causal organism which cause this disease and penetrate directly through the peripheral layers or by the opening caused by secondary roots, and this spreads chlamydospores spread this disease in all the plants, all the healthy plants. Okay, so this is all about the causal organism. Now we are seeing how to control this disease. It means a management of this disease, how to control this disease. Okay, next is the disease management of wilt of guava. So we can use three methods for management of this disease. First is cultural management. In cultural management, we can do wilted trees should be unrooted and burnt. Those trees which is wilted of this disease, they are unrooted and collect and burn them. Second method is used in this disease to use the disease-free. Use disease-free nursery stocks for the planting. It is the best method for the controlling this disease. We can use disease-free nursery stock for planting. Okay, so this is cultural management to controlling this disease. This is done initially when we are growing guava trees. Second is biological control. In biological control, we can use disease-free or disease resistance plant variety such as Dolka Singh, Banarsi, Nasik, Supreme, Lucknow 40, White Guava 6296. These are disease resistance variety of guavas. We can use this disease and reduce this disease to spreading. Okay. Next, third is chemical management. We know that this is a soil-borne disease. Wilt of guava is soil-borne disease, so we can use spraying of 1% water-soluble quinolinol sulfate against the wilt pathogens to controlling this disease. Okay. So if this is chemical control, we can spray soluble quinolinol sulfate. And second, control the wilt by severe pruning. First we can do severe pruning, then detrenching with the Bavstein solution and repeated in 15-day interval. Next, third method, oil cake. Oil cake like neem cake, mahua cake, kusum cake, etc. Supplement with urea at 10 and 1 kg respectively to control the disease, to check the disease. This is all about the methods by which we can control this disease. Okay.